Hello guys, this is Surya M. We are today going to see about the group of quadriceps muscles. And today we are going to talk about the origin, insertion and functions of the quadriceps femoris. The quadriceps femoris muscle is a four-headed muscle of the thigh which almost completely covers with the femur. The quadriceps is among the strongest muscle in the human body and significant by forms. The laterally contours in the ventral side of the thigh. Its inversion is carried by the femoral nerve. It consists of four separate muscles: the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis, the vastus lateralis, and the vastus intermedius. We will discuss the insertion and origin of each one individually. The rectus femoris muscle has two origins at the anterior inferior iliac spine of the pelvis and the upper margin of the octobulum. Distally, its fibrous end in the common insertion tendon, which is also known as the quadriceps tendon. The vastus medialis muscle runs spirally around the shaft from the linea aspera and introchantric line of the femoris and merges with the quadriceps tendon for the most part. The second part, referred to as medial petrol rectilineum, bypasses the petula medialis and insert at the medial condyloid of the tibia. The vastus lateralis muscle originates at the linea aspera and greater trochanter of the femur, loops around the shaft and mainly runs into the quadriceps tendon near inverted to the vastus medialis muscles. A small part goes around the petula laterally and inserts at the lateral condyloid of the tibia, also known as the lateral patellar retinaculum. The vastus intermedius muscle begins at the front side of the femur and ends in the common insertion tendon. In the height of the patellar base, a small part splits off and inserts at the superatellar recess of the knee joint capsules, also known as the articularis genius muscle. Even though it does not count as an independent muscle, it is sometimes considered as the fifth head of the quadriceps. The quadriceps tendon runs above the ventral side and through the peristome of the patella and finally inserts at the tuberosity of the tibia. The part below the patellar apex is referred to as the patellar ligament, seen here in green. The quadriceps is the only extensor of the knee joint. It plays a key role in every movement involving the stretching of the knee, and in addition, it keeps the knee from bulking when standing. Furthermore, the rectus femoris muscles force a flexion of the hip joint. To a small extent, the vastus medialis muscles is involved in the internal rotation and the rectus lateralis muscle in the external rotation of the knee joint. The articularis genius muscle is directly linked to the knee joint. capsule and the sup- suprapatellar bursa. During the knee extension, it pulls both stretches proximally and by this means prevents their entrapment between patella and femur. Thank you.